Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So namhlanje ade kudlala iChampions League semi-final first leg Orlando Pirates versus iPyramids FC. Sibonile ke i-first match between Mamelodi Sundowns versus iAl Ahly nayo iphele ngo-0-0. Naleyo Orlando Pirates iphele ngo-0-0. Izinto ke zizogqitshwa mase kudlalwa i-second leg le eCairo, yabo. Lapho khona sobona ama-team ase-Egypt ehoste ama-team ase-South Africa. Yabo yilapho sohlunga khona ukuthi ubani aba kwi-final. Yabo. But ke ngizokhuluma ama-positives nama-negatives ale game adidlala i-Orlando Pirates versus iPyramids FC. Yabo. I would like to say ngokwami, I take this match as a loss. As an Orlando Pirates fan, faithful, I take this match as a loss even though abafana bekwazile ukuthi bayibambe i-match bangalose. Yabo bangaconcede at the back. VAR isevile Orlando Pirates kule game iqiniso lihle bafethu siphumele obala. I'm not saying bekwamagoli ngempela yabo because i-first goal be offside simbonile lapho Fiston Mayele ubengale kumuqa yabo udwetshiwe kumuqa obuvu lapha muyibendele igame ngibonile ube offside Fiston Mayele mase kuthi igoli lesibili lesilibonile ulihedile Fiston Mayele kwasi lo mdlali lo wa iPyramids FC lashaya esandleni langena epalini kwabigoli. Yabo yaya sa kwi-VAR sabona belithinte isandla. So ngokwami I feel like Orlando Pirates isizwe i-VAR kule game. But ke angiye kwi-style of play indlela Orlando Pirates approach ngakhona le game le. Indlela Orlando Pirates edlale ngakhona. Yabo. KC ibonile i-formation ye Orlando Pirates 4-3-3, the traditional formation ejwayele ukuyidlala uJose Rivera ku-Betway Premiership. Yabo asijwayele kodwa ukuyidlala kakhulu le formation bedlala kwi-CAF Champions League. Especially nje kuma knockout stages. Since eqalile ama knockout stages, we haven't been playing this game, yabo. We haven't been playing this way actually, yabo. So namhlanje uthe ucoach Azini asiyithathe le game lesiyise kuyona iPyramids FC. Ingakho namhlanje kuqale umdlalo njengomabasa, istriker esingajwayelanga ukuyiqala kakhulu igame enkulu kanje, yabo. Mabasa le game le bimsinda. Qiniso lihle bafethu. Mabasa for me, mabasa kule game bengamela iqale le game. Bengamela iqale le game mabasa. Usungangitshela ema comments uthi why bengimela iqala mabasa le game, but for me the guy akanginikezi lutho. Bekumele i-team imark akasinikezi lutho, akekho creative, ulinde ibhola phambili. Ulinde service. Akwazi ukudlala nabadlali bakhe, ama-wingers akhe. The reason why you didn't see uNkota namhlanje coming to the party, it's because of the lack of the balls where abe rotate umabasa lapho. Mase ungibalela ama touches. I don't think umabasa ube nama touches adlula u10 kule game namhlanje. I don't think umabasa ube nama touches adlula u10. Kodwa ubonile sengena uMahoba igame iqalile yashintsha. Yabo. Ubonile kodwa first half yale game le indlela edlala ngakhona Orlando Pirates angifuni uqamba manje Orlando Pirates ibiya kuyona. Yabo. Ibiya kuyona iPyramids FC. Ngize ngabona nami uthi na man iPyramids FC akusiyona i-team engayixaka kakhulu ngayo. Yabo akusiyona i-team engayixaka kakhulu ngayo. La ngiyibone khona iPyramids FC first half idlala khona ithola khona ithuba kwaba i-offside ile offside kuphela. But nje overall ke first half angiyibonanga iPyramids isinikeza inkinga. Yabo umdlalo njengoTito namhlanje akanginikeza ngalutho. Ungangitshela futhi kuma comments wena ngokwakho ukuthi umnikezeni uTito namhlanje, but for me uTito namhlanje didn't come to the party. The boy didn't show us ukuthi why yabo number 10 wale team le. He wasn't creative enough for the team to create ama chances phambili. Yabo umbatha ube nawo ama shots namhlanje, but ke ama shots wakhe be wide amanye bephezulu kakhulu. He needs to lower his range make ahlele aqondisele lapha keeper noma ashaye epalini angayilina le. Yabo Mfokeng namhlanje again. Mfokeng we saw Mfokeng second half. We saw glimpses of Mfokeng second half, but we didn't see a lot of Mfokeng first half. Same as uNkota. Unkota for me he's not a starter. Let's be real bafethu sibe neqiniso uNkota. I'm not bashing the guys because we draw the match against the Pyramids. I'm just stating as it is. Because bafethu le game le mase siyele eEgypt. Angifuqa man iOrlando Pirates izoba nengcindezi enkulu. I'm not bashing the guys because asikwazanga ukuwina. Noma siwinile ngiyakhuluma I state izinto ezibhedile ngegame. Noma singadlalanga kahle. Yabo. Mesiwinile noma singadlalanga kahle kumele kukhulunywe. Yabona nje igame izodecidewa le eCairo. And eCairo kuzoba nzima kakhulu. Second half yale game si approachile ke second half. Truth be told bafethu umabasa ubemela ahlale ebenchini. Because sibuyele second half still umjida yenza ngalutho. Coach umfakile uMahopa wawenza umnyakazo mahoba say igame iqale kahle kahle sesila ko 70 yabo Orlando Pirates ikwazile ukurotate ibhola sambona unkota ephuma kwangena uDlamini ilapho khona iOrlando Pirates siyibona futhi isikwazi ukudlala ibhola ngokwami mina bengingamqalisa uDlamini adlale lapha adrift as right winger ngimqalise uTito Maswangaye because the guys connect banayo leyo connection bayakwazi ukudlala ndawonye yabo bengabaqalisa about 2 unkota ngimfaka second half because I can see ukuthi yabo mhlambe asenze ilutho up front ngimfake kunkota asilethele leyo pace adlale yabo but ke overall match for me I feel like if VAR sizile yabo asikwazanga consider we are still the unbeaten team ekhona la ku CAF Champions League but ke I don't think it will last for long after we displayed a performance better kanje today. I don't think our unbeaten run will last long yabo kuningi okumele kushintshe coach indlela approach yakho game plan yanamhlanje don't wanna lie it was very bad. The game plan was very bad. Pyramids FC ifikile kuthina maningi amathuba iPyramids FC ebenawo khona leli thuba le Pyramids FC athi siyokora khona Dion van Rooyen uyisizile team I don't wanna lie the guy today played very well yabo Mbokazi namhlanje the guy was good yabo ubeba nawo lawo mash shaky moments nyana but the guy was good today. Simple Chain I don't wanna lie Simple Chain namhlanje ubena matatu umjita first half yabo ubena betatazela ngazi bekwenze njani Simple Chain but ke team ikwazile ukudlala yabo pitch I think pitch be wet. What is going on with the FNP? Why abadlala abantu belokubeshiblika nje angazi bekwenze njani mfethu. I hope team izokwazi ukukhuluma noMbokazi mfethu yabo leli lago lokuqala cishe umfana wa playmaker isidingo singekho cishe umfana wa playmaker lesidingo singekho yabo mina ngokwami I take this game as a loss. I hope the technical team can do something yabo sikwazi we approach a second leg with a different mindset because mindset yanamhlanje it was a good mindset but get throughout the game I feel like we lost yabo we lost touch we lost izinto eziningi ibhola eswini besingenalo ibhola eswini we miss pass ade khona lapha kule game namhlanje bebaningi there were too many miss passes I don't know what was going on Mbatha Makhehleni Makhawula Tito Maswangaye bebengaconnect namhlanje amaphasa ade bewadlala yabo bese siyaphasa siphasela abadlali bePyramids sithi siyaphasa siphasela abadlali bePyramids I don't know what was going on yabo but ungangitshela ama comments ngokwakho uthi yini Orlando Pirates emeli ishintshe yabo ngokwakho nje ungangitshela ama comments but mina ngokwami uMabasa bengamela iqale le game umfana lo Nkota is a game changer. Nkota was not supposed to start this game. The boy was supposed to be on the bench and come the second half to change the game. That is how we played against the MC Alger. If you saw it game MC Alger, that is the way we were supposed to play yabo but ke sikwazile ukugcina iclean sheets even though ngasiyona iclean sheets ngokweqiniso yabo iVAR nje ifikile ko bedlala ko bethu Premiership ngabe dliwe ngo 2-0 nje uclean but ke